In the previous episode, where I featured the amazing Bamaki, I also introduced you to the CW Hotline used as a keyer. Today, I'll give you a quick overview of what this innovative device can do, and also share some of the cool accessories that I've added to make it even better for my needs. Let's get started. The CW Hotline is a versatile tool designed for communication, and it offers several useful features. It connects to the internet with Wi Fi, enabling you to use it with a Morse key to communicate on the virtual CW band from the Ham Radio Solutions website. This feature is handy for practice, training, and those interested in Morse code who do not have a ham radio license. The CW Hotline is a standalone keyer, which means that it can be used independently with a key to generate Morse code signals. It's a very handy tool for practicing offline. Check out my previous video to see the CW Hotline used as a keyer. If you like my videos, make sure to like and subscribe. Using two devices, the CW Hotline can be used to remotely key a CW radio transceiver. Device 1 connects to the radio transceiver. Device 2 links to device 1 via the internet and monitors and controls the radio remotely. You'll need Wi-Fi or a cell phone hotspot, as well as the appropriate additional software. Simply connect the key out of device 1 to the key in of the radio. This feature enables users to operate the radio from a distance, which is useful for those who want to operate the radio from a remote location. The CW hotline can also link to other CW hotlines, creating a private Morse code communication network. Any Morse code entered into one will be sent to and played by all other linked devices. This feature allows users to communicate privately with other linked devices, making it an excellent option for small groups or organizations that require secure communication channels. Overall, the CW Hotline is an excellent tool for Morse code communication, especially as a training and practice device offering a range of features and functionalities that make it a versatile and useful option for both amateur radio operators and Morse code enthusiasts as well. If you own a CW Hotline, you probably know that its internal speaker is the weakness of the device. There is no volume control, and it's just a mono speaker, so it only plays on one ear when using headphones. I went ahead and purchased an external portable speaker that comes with a volume control feature, and I must say, the sound quality is way better now. But what about the headphone users out there? Well, I got you covered. I also found a Koss brand volume control adapter that solves the no volume control problem. And for those who are only hearing out of one ear with their headphones, I added a mono to stereo adapter plug that works like a charm. Problem solved. Lastly, I power my device with this solar power bank. So if you are trying to find solutions to the speaker shortcomings of your CW hotline, I highly recommend checking out these accessories.